Hey, my name is Ben, and if you look at my screen, you'll know today I'm going to create a voice recognition application. Call it what you will. This is day 20 of JavaScript 30. Alyssa State skip 30. There we go. Cool. Let's get started. Let me shut down my server, my other screen right quick. All right. So, first thing I had to do was a little bit of browser compatibility by adding this WebKit. Then I'm going to create a new instance of speech recognition, which is part of the Web Speech API, then tell recognition to accept interim results. I'm going to access the DOM element that I need, and then create a new paragraph tag, which I'm going to use to print the transcript from the user speech onto the DOM. Then I need to add a couple of event listeners, one which will trigger when there is a result inside the event object, and that will invoke print to screen. Another event listener which will trigger when recognition stops, and that will actually start recognition over again. Then I need to start recognition on page load. So now let's get working on this function, and we'll print the user's speech to the screen. The first thing I need to do is loop through this nested array to access the transcript from the event. So there is this very long array of results, and I'm going to keep looping through different arrays until we access the transcript, and then we'll move on from there. So I'll say const transcript is equal to, we'll use the spread operator because I'm first going to want to add the results to this array. And then we're going to map through that first array, grab the results, and then return the result that's in the first position, which is another array. So we'll use map again. We'll grab that result, and from that result we will return the transcript. So we've had to do a couple of loops here to get to that transcript that I wanted to get to. And map, like I've gone over, returns an array, and that's not going to be any good, so we're going to use join so we can get a string. So now hopefully we get the transcript from that event results. The second thing I need to do is print the transcript to the DOM. So I'm going to grab my p tag and say text content is equal to transcript. Now I used let for my the p tag, the paragraph tag, because if the user stops speaking, then starts to speak again, instead of adding a new paragraph tag, it's just going to sort of write over what was in the old paragraph tag. So I can use let and create a new paragraph tag if the user has stopped speaking, and then that will create multiple sentences on the screen. So we'll say if event.results is final. That's how you know the transcript has ended. Open, we have to access, again, this is an array. The first element is final. Then we are going to change p to be a new p tag. Document.create element, paragraph, and then we will append that new tag to the DOM. So we'll say append child. And there we go. So barring any mistakes, this should be good to go. I'm going to start my server. Hey, is this speech recognition working? Will you create a new tag? Uh-oh, I need to debug. Alrighty, so it's not creating a new paragraph tag as is now printed onto the screen. Let's fix that problem. Alright, so I think it's results. Yep, that'll do it. Hopefully, let's see. Refresh. It's still recording me. Will you create a new tag? It looks like you will. Cool. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.